market changes, opportunities, and
Today, we all are facing unprecedented challenges. This year, instead of traveling to Bangalore, Barcelona, or Las Vegas, SAP TechEd is coming to each and every one of you, no matter where you are, at home, in the office, or in your garden. Join us from December 8th to December 10th for a truly global SAP TechEd event with over 500 live and on-demand sessions from SAP experts, executives, customers, and partners. We may not be able to meet in person, but I invite you to join me and my team as we welcome developers and experts from all around the world in all geographies. This is your chance to make an impact, help your company become an intelligent enterprise, and grow your personal career. I'll see you in December.